It is crazy sometimes when you actually enter into the market and maybe few pips are over there, and then your account is actually blown. Or when you just enter into your trend, then you actually realize that you are running a big loss, and then the market was just does is the market actually now start going up. Maybe after your account has been blown up, or maybe after just going a lot of losses over there. But how can you just minimize that and actually maximize profit on this side? How can that become of advantage to you? When the market actually, when I just realize that I'm entering and the market actually just goes against me, actually that even becomes more advantage for me to make more money here on the forex trading. Sometimes you may be wondering how I just do that. All you just have to do is to make sure that you watch this video until the end. If you're not a subscriber over here, make sure that you just do so, because every time I'm just bringing you new videos on how to just do forex trading in a very easy way and a very easy way to just do it, because I'm just doing it for free. All you can just do to me is to make sure that you are subscribed over here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Let me just know what you think about what I'm just going to show you over here, because it is just amazing. Let's just go to the practicals, not talking too much, okay? As long you have subscribed over there. Now I'm just going to show you something over here in the market and how actually I can just implement my things over here. Now for example, let me just draw something over here, and let me just go to the chart. I show you something. This is very simple. Okay, let's say that maybe you are trending what we call maybe in double top over there, okay? And you are trending double top, and you have done your analysis, and then you realize the market was just doing this way, and this, okay? And then maybe let's say you want to enter around here, okay? You just want to enter around that area. Now what most people do, okay, they will just have maybe a lot size that is they have maybe something like this, where they will have maybe they enter around this region, and maybe they just have their SL around this area and this TP around this area, okay? But most of the time the market actually can even come almost near here, and you'll be running in a lot of losses. Now the formula I'm just going to show you over here does not apply to the small account. Actually, you just need at least a good account for you to maximize this, and if you have a good account, then this is just going to be very amazing, because that is actually how I just you can even run all through just making good amount of money, and when you just run into profit, then you're just going to make more money, okay? This formula I was applying it when I was just buying crypto and all those things. Now what you just do over here is to decide what size of maybe the currency pair that you're just going to buy. Over here you just have to determine your lot size, okay? Let's say for example today you are trading with 0.6 lot, okay? You wanted to enter a sell around over here with a lot size of 0.6, okay? And that is gold, for example, euro USD cable over there. And what you just do over here, so that you can avoid being a lot of losses, because this is a game of probability, all you just have to do, because you are not 100% of where market is just going to reverse, it will give the market at least some space. You just give the market some space. Either you can just give it 20 pips high before, okay? You can just give it something like this after your first entry. So all you just have to do, number one, is to divide your lot size over here maybe into 3, okay? You have over here, you can divide your lot size maybe into 3, so that you can just have 3 entries, okay? Have 3 entries, that is 0.06. Have 3 entries. So after having 3 entries, some people, what they do is that they put multiple entries at the same point. So what is the difference? I don't know the difference from there. Now it's the same as entering 0.6. so the only thing that is just going to help you over here is to have at least these entries, multiple entries, small entries, but you accumulate to 3. So this have to be at around 0.2 over here. So when I enter 3 of them, or not enter them at the same position, all I have to do is actually just do this. So what I will just do over here is to enter something like 0.2 here, then I just give the market to just go up kidogo, and the market just reverses back, because of course when you just enter into the market, unless when you are very 100% sure that when you enter the market is actually going to move that way. Sometimes when it comes to news trending and all that, but even news, the market actually do retrace back. But when the market is actually moving fast like that, but when you are trending have that region of those points, okay, so maybe after 10 pips, maybe after 10 pips, you can now place another entry of 0.02, and then maybe after another 10 pips, or maybe when you see the market is still going against you. But the reason I'm saying this one is because sometimes this how we are sure the market is just going to reverse. It's only that we are not getting that region very clearly. For example, the market can just be overbought. There's something that is going to make the market reverse, okay? So all we can just do is to make these 3 entries, okay? Now when you make 3 entries, let me just do this. Some people maybe have been using this. So when you make your first entry to be here, and your second entry to be here, and your third one to be around this here, okay? So when the market now will just be coming now back to going to your TP, when it actually goes to the original point where you entered, when it goes to the original point, okay, your entry point, when it goes to the entry point, actually you'll have accumulated a profit already. You'll have a profit already, okay, and it's just the entry point. But what if you entered 0.6 at that point, okay? Either maybe your account could have been blown up. Yes, you could have been you could have made a lot of money when the market will just be going up this way. But why don't you be doing this one? Because market actually does that all the time. So it's just give us some point over here where the market actually will just be doing that one. Let's just do some practicals over here. Maybe you can understand this more, but I think it's just simple. Okay, so for example, let's talk about the Nasdaq over here. Okay, so let's talk about the NAS 100. Okay, let's talk about the NAS. Why is it NAS is here? So let's talk about the NAS 100 over here. It's just a practical example. So this is just going to be helping you very much. You don't have to ignore this. It's just going to be helping you very much. Okay, let's analyze this market in a very simple way. Okay, over here. Okay, assume this is, let me just go even to one, let me go to 1 day time frame over here, so that you can see that the market, we are expecting at least some reversal of the market around this region over here, and that's why I placed this region over here. Now what you just do over here, because the market is just going up over here, is to give this market more entries when it comes over here. Okay, for example, if you just wanted to enter the sell, you can enter a sell at 15,200, and then you enter another at 15 here, 15 to 50, and 15 300, because you know the market is already over there. The market is there. You have used your indicator. You're sure the market will just reverse maybe at this region over here, but you're not very sure. Okay, so this is going to give you the maximum profit over here. Now that sounds very interesting over here. If you actually practice this, maybe if this is your first time, maybe to just try this, just try it with the demo account, and when you just see the result, maybe if you have been applying it, let me just know over there in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. I hope this has been of help to you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.